Okay guys, this is a 2022 Forest River Evo Stealth 28-foot bunkhouse. Clean title, never damaged. It's got the awning. Everything you see here comes with it. All your stands. I think they call this an X-Lite. It's I think about 7,300 pounds. See, it's got good tires on it. See air conditioning up top. Hoses there, your cords, your drainage. It's got good batteries. It's got the sway bar link here. Propane. Here's the hitch and the sway links. Awning with all the lights. Outdoor speakers. You can see, so you can look up the model number there. It's got bedding in here. Little step stool here. Fingers. This couch turns into a bed. Look close, you can see a little bit of some wear and tear, but it's about all I can find on this whole rig. Here's all your pump and lights for your awning. Your stereo there, storage. Bunkhouse comes with all the covers, your sink, toilet, shower, nice skylight, your vents. Fridge and freezer, no smell in these. Set up, ready to go. All your utensils here, sink, temperature control. Really nice trailer, AC. Ready to go, guys.